Hey there, anime fans! Tonight, let's step into a world of magic and wonder. Picture this, a dense, misty forest at twilight, where every shadow holds a secret. The air is thick with an ethereal glow, casting a magical light on everything it touches. And then, emerging from the mist, a pack of glowing white wolves appears. Their fur radiates with a celestial brightness, and their eyes are like luminous orbs, piercing through the shadows. As they move gracefully, their paws leave trails of light on the forest floor, creating an enchanting path of twinkling stars. It's as if the forest itself is alive, whispering ancient secrets carried by the gentle breeze. Above, unseen cherry blossoms float down, adding to the surreal beauty of the scene. The petals dance in the air, catching the magical light and shimmering like tiny, delicate jewels. And just when you think it can't get any more enchanting, there, surrounded by the protective herd, is a tiny, adorable wolf prince. Recently born, his presence is a beacon of hope and innocence. The pack encircles him, their luminous eyes watchful, guarding him from any harm. This is the magic of a night in the misty forest, a place where dreams come to life, and every moment is a cinematic masterpiece. Stay tuned for more enchanting adventures, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep dreaming in anime.